Hello, welcome everyone. Today we are going to see Azure encryption at rest components. So the data which is at rest should be encrypted. So this goal of this encryption at rest is to protect the disk encrypted with a secret encryption key. To do this, we need to have to create a secure key creation, and we need to store it in a storage, and we have to provide the access control through Active Directory and management of the encryption keys. These are all the things we have to do. So if you are going to, if you are first Azure Key Vault, what it will do, we will see this. In this Azure Key Vault, the encryption keys and access control of these keys will be stored. So it will be managed by specified users available to specific services. For Azure services, Key Vault is the most recommended solution to provide common management experience across services. So the keys are stored in and managed in Key Vault, and access to a Key Vault can be given to users or services. Azure Key Vault supports customer creation of keys or import of customer keys for use in customer managed encryption scenarios. Next comes the Azure Active Directory. Azure Active Directory, it gives permissions to use keys stored in Key Vault either to manage or access them for encryption at rest. Both process encryption and decryption can be given to Azure Active Directory accounts. Next comes the key hierarchy. We will be applying more than one key during the encryption process. Particularly encryption at rest implementation, we will be using more than one key. So storing an encryption key in Azure Key Vault ensures secure key access and central management of keys. So if the key Azure encryptions at user made up of two different keys, like key encryption keys and data encryption keys. The data encryption key is used to encrypt a partition or block of data, and the key encryption key, it is used to encrypt the data encryption keys. So we will see about this data encryption key in key encryption keys in our upcoming videos. So basically we have to understand that encryption at rest, encryption of data at rest, it has three components. One is Azure Key Vault and Azure Active Directory, and it should be controlled by more than one key. That is key hierarchy we have to follow for key that are key encryption keys and data encryption keys. So let us see both in detail in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.